Hi, Paul. It's Byron Beck, Willamette Week. It's opening night of Whitebird's new season, and a few friends of yours have something to say.
Can you wish Paul a happy birthday?
Happy birthday, Paul.
Hey, Gary.
Happy birthday, Paul. We love you.
Happy birthday, Paul.
You to wish Paul a
Happy birthday, Paul. Happy birthday, Paula.
happy birthday, Paul. This is happy birthday, Paul.
Is it Paul's birthday?
Yeah,
Happy birthday, Paul.
say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Paul.
Happy birthday, Paul.
Happy birthday, Paul.
Happy birthday, Paul.
Birthday into the camera.
Happy birthday, Paul.
Okay, good.
Happy birthday, Paul.
Happy birthday, Paul. Happy birthday, Paul.
Say happy birthday to Paul.
Happy birthday
To Paul.
to Paul. Hi. Happy birthday, Paul.
Happy birthday, Paul.
Say hi to happy birthday.
Happy birthday, big guy.
Oh, good. Oh, good. Good. I got that. Can you say happy birthday, Paul?
Happy birthday, Paul.
Good.
Happy birthday, Paul.
Happy birthday, Paul.
Got it. You know who Paul is? Yeah. Happy birthday, Paul.
Happy birthday, Paul.
Happy birthday. Okay. Say happy birthday to Paul.
Happy birthday, Paul.
Happy birthday, Paul.
Happy birthday, Paul.
Good. Say happy birthday, Paul.
Hello, happy birthday, Paul. Hello there. How are you doing there, Byron?
Say happy birthday, Paul.
Happy birthday, Paul.
Happy birthday, Paul. It's Byron.
Hi.
Okay.
Say happy birthday, Paul. Paul's birthday.
Happy birthday, Paul.
What do you wish happy birthday to Paul? I've done this for you before.
Oh, Paul, happy birthday. I can't believe it.
Happy birthday.
What do we do?
Happy birthday, Paul.
Happy birthday, Paul.
Happy birthday, Paula.
Happy birthday, Paul. It's Paul. Happy birthday, Paul. Not Paula Madden. Paul is Paul King. Paul is tall.
Oh, it's for Paul King?
Yes.
I didn't even know who
Paul
it was
is
for.
tall.
Happy birthday, Paul.
Oh, that's so good.